We'll be playing as the trophy truck in Getaway 2, and the trophy truck has pretty good stats, and looks it's a pretty nice car. We'll try and get 300 today with it. Looks like a pretty good car, so that's why we're going 300. And this area is not this is my least favorite map to play on. I don't like the desert one. Like, you can go so many places. But, like, what is this middle place? Is this agent the UFO? Is it resilience? I don't know if something else, but... Or we got bonus. Let's see. Yeah. There's a... Heck no. You up there? Go question mark. Let's go. Oh. We bring the boom. Let's go. Oh, I'm on fire. I know for a fact that. Dang, surviving. Oh, I was not surviving. I got to 219. I think I did pretty good with this one.